Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559 is a major update implemented to improve Ethereum's transaction fee system. It aims to make transaction fees more predictable and to create more efficient, user-friendly network. Key features of EIP 1559. It introduces a base fee model that adjusts dynamically based on network congestion, making transaction costs more predictable. Part of the transaction fee is burned, reducing the overall supply of Ether, which potentially increases its value over time. It also allows users to tip miners with a priority fee to incentivize faster transaction processing. Why it matters. It simplifies the fee calculation process, making it easier for users to estimate costs and reducing the chances of overpaying. The fee burn mechanism aligns incentives, potentially increasing Ether's scarcity and value. It also helps stabilize the network by smoothing out fee volatility, leading to a more efficient and reliable Ethereum blockchain. What are the implications for users and developers? For users, expect more consistent transaction fees and potentially lower costs during periods of low congestion. For developers, it requires updates to wallets and decentralized apps to accommodate the new fee structure and user interface. EIP 1559 represents a significant shift in Ethereum's transaction processing, aiming to enhance user experience and economic efficiency. By understanding its implications, users and developers can better prepare for the evolving landscape of the Ethereum network.